Back everyone. You may be having an issue with your iPad or for some reason it's just not charging. Now this can happen for a few different reasons, but the first thing I would recommend doing as always is making sure that your specific cord that you're plugging into your iPad, whether it's a lightning cord, whether it's a USB Type-C cord or whatever, you just want to make sure the cord is plugged in properly to your iPad in the first place. So plug it in and just let it sit there for a while. You may want to check out a different port on your specific outlet, try plugging it into a different wall outlet, different things like that. That may end up fixing the problem as well. Now, if it's still not working, a thing you may have to remember is that these iPads have massive batteries within them. So because of that, you may end up being in a situation where the battery in this is so big and the charge output from your wall is so low that it even takes a while for it to even charge past the little battery low screen. So for that, in that specific case, what I'd recommend doing is going through just letting your iPad sit there on charge for like an hour or maybe 30 minutes or 10 minutes, whatever it takes. Let it sit there and then it may end up charging up after. Again, not a guarantee, but that is another thing I'd recommend doing. On top of that, you may just want to go ahead and check out the port inside of your iPad, whatever iPad it is, whether it's USB Type-C or Lightning, and you want to go ahead and take a look at the port. Is your port malfunctioning? Is your port the issue? If it is, then probably your best bet is to go ahead and just make sure that port is, corrected. Maybe taking like a napkin or cotton swab or something, trying to clean out the inside of this port, because if it's faulty and if it's broken, then you're going to have a bigger issue than you may have expected. So that's another thing. On top of that, you may want to check out the specific cord like I mentioned, try using a different cord, but those are pretty much the main ways to fix it for the most part. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.